Hello, guys. This is Richard Nas Richard Ogachi. Thank you so much, family. Thank you, guys, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's been amazing. It's been great so far. Just trying to do these videos. I mean, it's never that serious all the time, guys. Just trying to be all I can be at this point. I'm the head of this family. I have a wife, I have kids, and pretty much everything depends on me. I try to be all I can be. I try to be all I can be every day, 24/7, 365. I'm a registered nurse, been a registered nurse for many years, worked in Africa, in Kenya, and decided to move to the US a couple of years ago. And now, the US as it is, the situation is different. The circumstances are different. And I'm trying to plant trees on this yard. And so I talked to some guys who do landscaping. And the kind of quotations they gave me, man, it's unbelievable how much they were charging. So I decided to do some of the works like planting trees myself, and also try to design different kind of landscaping and put some nice, beautiful stones around my house. And I mean, some of these things I can do them because, for some, I've talked about this before. I'm actually originally a country boy. I like to be outdoors all the time. I like my kids to be outdoors even better. But the kids in the US like being indoors a lot. They like to be on tablets. They like to watch cartoons. They like to watch YouTube. They like to watch Netflix shows. And I've seen most people in the US, they have this addiction to play, is it play games? They play games a lot. People have the kinds of, the ones that, video games. They play video games, a lot of video games, a lot of cartoons and toys and movies. People watch a lot of movies. I try to watch movies. I don't like those series movies where I have to watch episode 124, 1 to 124. No, that's not for me. I like just to watch one time movie, 2 hours, and I'm out. So in here, I'm trying to plant trees here, guys. And so far, I planted the trees. If you see, that's my neighbor coming right here, backing up to his house. And, surprisingly, these trees, when I was planting them, I didn't tell anybody, even my neighbor. So when you see, like this particular house, it's a place they call the FHOA, where there is an organization that has the guidelines and the rules. They call them the covenants and the bylaws of you living in this neighborhood. They have specific things that you have to tell them before you do any projects on your yard, on your plot, or on your house. You have to inform them. So I was planting these trees before I informed them, by the way. They almost put me in trouble. So when you do something and you don't inform them, or without informing them, they send you a bill for violation. they may end up sending you a bill for violating the covenants and the bylaws of living in this neighborhood. So this even now opened my eyes, like, is this my house really? Is this a home that I really own, that you can do anything you want on your yard? Really? Yeah, that really caught me by surprise. I didn't know you're supposed to do that, but it happened. So I had to send them an email and inform them that I have this plan, and I did plant the trees, but I'm still waiting for approval. They have to approve whatever you are doing on the yard. They have to approve it. So, man, I've done designs on what I want to put on this yard in the next 2 years, maybe. It's landscaping is continuous process. My good friend Bob told me that the yard work and landscaping and trying to beautify your home is a man's responsibility. And these jobs never end. You don't finish them. You're doing them continuously until you either sell your house and move out of this neighborhood and go to another place, or sell your house, or whatever time you want to move out of this place. But there's always continuous projects around the house, either landscaping projects, redesigning, remodeling. You're still doing like remodeling of different parts of the house. So, man, I'm trying to be all I can be. Just planting trees, guys, as you see. I'm trying to put best foot forward to at least make sure at least I have a good place where my family lives. I like trees a lot. I want to have at least many trees on my yard, and so that I also can have so many leaves during fall. That's one of the reasons why I'm putting up more trees, is to at least get more leaves for me to be able to do leaf blowing, because I realized I love blowing leaves. And this is one reason. And another reason is, of course, trees make the land look so beautiful. Look at this spring season. The leaves are out. There's life is back again, And it's been amazing doing this kind of jobs. I'll be able to do them. I'm always busy. Even this is a sacrifice time. And instead of sleeping, just trying to do these assignments. I know that sometimes you can pay people to do them for you. But, I love to do them myself. I love to try to improvise and see what this can become. It can become something, and especially brings even more joy when you realize that you've done it yourself. You've done it yourself. Guys, look at how I'm using that hoe, That's a specialty, by the way. I used to hose all my life. Yeah, digging land and planting stuff, corn, beans, grass for animals. I did all that. And then you see now that skill that I acquired many years ago, now it's helping me now. You see? Now I'm able to take care of my own, You see, my neighbor is also crossing over there. He's actually the one who came to inform me, to ask me if I had gotten like an approval from the guys who were supposed to approve for me to plant this tree. So I had to swallow my pride and just stop the tree planting and send the pictures to them and inform them about my decision. And of course, try to get approval for me to plant this tree. So guys, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I don't take it for granted. Please, I ask that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join me when I'm doing my lives. I'll be doing my lives maybe on Sundays or Fridays. And then also, guys, please don't forget that I have a program that I go out and do collect stuff that people don't like in their homes. So I'll be unboxing the stuff that I collect. So join me during those sessions, and I know that we'll be able to do that together, and then I'll be able to list those product or stuff that I collect from those people's houses. And then, of course, we'll be able to see what we can become, The focus is there, the energy is there. I'm willing to make a sacrifice. I'm willing to put in the hours. And I would love to at least make good videos for you guys. And I love the fact that you sacrifice and you give me some time, at least the 10 minutes you've given me to watch my video, listen to my videos, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate your comments. Please, you can criticize. You can also just ask me questions. You know what I'm doing right here, if planting trees. Just can't ask any questions. Make comments, guys. It's never that serious. We need to enjoy this life. We need to be out here to just serve God and be all we can be, because you never know how long you're going to live, but you have to make impact to your own family, make impact to people who care about you, and do all you can do and be everything that you need to be. So I've just completed my job, planted the trees, and now, guys, I have